Hey, today is a very exciting day. I bought my first G-Shock and I'll be unboxing it. The Casio Gshock DW5600 BB. Minimal, functional, and incredibly wearable. Let's take a closer look. This is the box it came in. Plain cardboard packaging, no metal tin or extras, just the essentials. Inside you'll find the manual, warranty card, and the watch itself. This is the DW5600 BB 1DR. It's part of the Blackout series. Everything from the case to the strap to the display is black. The negative LCD gives it a very stealthy look, understated but bold in its own way. It's also made in Thailand, which makes me really happy. I love Thailand. The case is 47.2mm tall, 43.8mm wide, and 12.9mm thick. Despite the numbers, it wears surprisingly well, thanks to the short lugs and the lightweight resin, just around 52 grams. For reference, my wrist is about 6.1 inches, and while the watch sits well, there is some overhang from the excess strap. It's something that can be fixed by trimming and sanding the end, which I ended up doing, and here's how it looks after a bit of surgery. I just used a pair of scissors to trim it, shaped the edge with a nail file, and then used a pair of jeans to smooth it out. After the trim, the watch lost about 2 grams. Not a huge difference, but a welcomed one nonetheless. And most importantly, it looks way better now. No more annoying overhang. I think I did a pretty solid job too, since it's barely noticeable. The negative display looks clean, but it's worth mentioning, it isn't the most legible indoors, especially in low light. It can be hard to read without good lighting. That said, the Super Illuminator LED backlight makes up for it. One press of the button and it lights up the entire screen with an afterglow effect. With this watch, you get the basics, and that's part of its charm. A stopwatch, countdown timer, daily alarm, hourly signal, and 12 or 24-hour formats. If you press and hold the top right button, a star symbol shows up. That basically means when the alarm goes off, the lights will blink. It's also water resistant, up to 200 meters, and of course, shock resistant, like every G-Shock should be. This isn't a loud watch, and I did not get it to show off. It's the kind of piece that disappears into your routine, and that's exactly why I like it. It's dependable, subtle, and easy to wear with almost anything. The matte black finish is completely non-reflective. There's no chrome or polish, just pure function and form that follows. And I think there's a quiet beauty in that. If you appreciate minimal, durable design, and you're okay with a few quirks, the DW5600 BB might be the right choice. The link for this watch is in the description for your convenience. In case you'd like to pick one up for yourself, please give this video a like, subscribe for more lifestyle related content. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.